Asisho nje ukuthi we are profound ngale guest challenge ithola ka Diskibet. I hope my team amve kahle. Uthi nje a token of comfort. Sivile kahle mo. Wet means ukuthi kusenekukhula basinikete nje lokuncane. Kusenekukhula. Siyayibona vele njani. So lokusho ukuthi ke kusho ukuthini lokho kithi thina ema competitions committee, this partnership means a lot. We have to show baka Diskibet ukuthi they've chosen a right platform to market their ana. So kukhona nathi lekufuna sikwene. We have to surpass the numbers labatibekile. Babeke inombolo letincane nasikhulumisana nabo. So we have to work and nabo ba achieve what they want to achieve. Sitakuchaza ukuthi noma utakuchaza mabhalana ukuthi bafunani in that nang kule midlalo le. Asibonge nje labameleleka basebholeni. Singasho lokho ukuthi this tournament, because sesinayo FA Cup, angithi sinayo FA Cup. Angithi noma senikhohliwe. So this one it will be Diskibet or Super Cup. Sevana game. Yes. This is what is going to happen. The regions, noma siyathi ukuthi labanye ngosami, noma sekusele bo 4 games and the like sebabathe babuka championship, sengeke basayithola league. Angithi. So this is a tournament letabe se iyas consola thina lesingakakhona ukuthola redeem yourself kule tournament lena. So baka Diskibet bathi a club must recruit a minimum of 200 people ba register ku platform yabo. Batoyichaza ke bosses ukuthi how do you do that? And then utawqualify ke ngekuthi inombolo takho tinjani. Sathatha top 4 ku onke lama regions esinawo kaho except Super League. Then the champions atobe sa join ema teams lang 10. Lokusho ukuthi na Super League nayo ya recruit. Sathatha 10 ka Super League. 10, that is Super League anzi siyathi ukuthi ne Southern ne Northern. Lokusho ukuthi sathatha 10. Then istabe sesabadlalisa labang 4 at the regional stage. Basembabane nje batodlala babeng 4. Sathatha laba recruit kakhulu. Ilula lena. Recruit kakhulu shothi sathatha top 4 then badlale bakhokhe champion. The champions itajoina laba baka Super League. Angithi bathi betonate it is super angithi. So emva kwaloko then sestabe sekuba knockout vele. Seyitana 16 ngala Southern 16 and Northern up until the champion. Sevana game. Ya kishe itoba kanjalo. So ema teams akahamba tilungiselele. Shothi Diskibet utabasabalele nje lonke la hoho teaching people how to recruit bantu bafake la. This tournament is not only about kudlala nje lebhola. What we want to introduce la kuma clubs, we want to introduce marketing strategy. Pulling people ukuthi bangene la kule club yakho. Because we might come up with things for lokhanza ukuthi le club funa ikhone ukuthi sustainer selling whether t-shirts, tigqoko, everything. Niyababona msibaka Diskibet ukuthi bagqoke njani. Probably start partnerisha nabo in doing that. Le team itakhele imali sevana kami ngekuthengisa leto tinto leto. So we want to put the culture of marketing kule club. Sayibona kwami. So that the club ito sustain singathathi imali tethu emakhukhwini ukhanze ukuthi yaqhamuka ngababe bani nje. Ushito ke lambingo la ukuthi it's a little bit of token of appreciation. Sayibona lento le. Lokusho ukuthi we can expand ourselves and sibuke stawuva ke feedback from nini ema teams ukuthi okay, where else can you help us? Ukuthi si improve and whatsoever. Lokusho ukuthi nje le partnership le asibambeni sobabili kuze kuthi khule and then assist us. Who knows ekugcineni sakugcina sekubhejwa nje kubhejwa ukuthi score sasemzimba ema-team kulelo viki noma lekakho la Hillary kuthi ema-teams atodlala kanjani then you get a jackpot. I hope ngizatokhuluma nabo nje because kufuna sifake nebatali bethu lemakhaya ukuthi nabo babe part of lokudlala lo disc bet. Kukhanze ukuthi nje kubekwe inkunzi yelibhorani lapho kuthiwa kule nyalo kutaba ngeyi-jackpot noma kubekwe isigulumba anzi thina siyalima muhle siyayibona vele njalo. So we include more walabantu labato bebadlala. Asibonge nje kakhulu kwethu-ke umsebenzi lesiwucelako kini nina competitions committee is to drive this to the clubs. Tsineke siyanati nini sinethembile and we have always worked with you. We have seen such tournaments asebendile and are driving ngini. So do the same with this tournament. Let's assemble it with both hands and let us make sure ukuthi idlaleka kahle kuba bede imisindvo so that kuba lula ukuthi le league igcine maybe bigger token of appreciation. Kukhona le target lesifuna kuyishaya nebaka disc bet in terms of sponsorship nabo ke kubana leti nombolo tabo. So sifuna siyishaye sonke le target. Ngajabula nje ngengcenye la host bese angithi mavuso bezidlalela 1 million. So kufuna sifike kanye nani lapho. Asibonge kakhulu nje kuba bonke betindzaba. Angisho ke Lambingo sibongele kuma directors ka disc bet. Thina ke vele sisebenza nayo le media. Kunenge nje lasibambisene khona and like I think nalana nje batodlala likhasa lelikhulu batosibambisa sicela ke ukuthi naye disc bet ababambise wherever they are trying to cover some of the things. There are a lot of things which are going to happen. Nibonile besiconclude ingwenyama cup soon kutawuqhamuka kuthiwa kuyiwa kubo CAF and the like, so they might need assistance. So we hope disc bet utasibambisa.